Hi. Now in this video we will move on to how to change the numbers of the how to change the look of the number sprites these in the game. And if you change these number sprites, if you have your own number sprites and you have audio files and background, then you can completely change this game. It is very easy. So I will take you step by step to the complete process. First of all, let us see what is the game controller. I will take you in detail explanation of how the game controller is designed. Let the project open. I'll take you step by step. This is the learn tiles. This is the variable in which all the values that are shown here at this num1 tile that are loaded in the learn tiles 1. Similarly, all the file that are shown in the num tile 2, that means number 2 here, are shown in learn tiles 1. So we have loaded it with 10 values. It is a 10 size array 0 to 9, and what I have done is I have taken the name of the number and named the name of the sprite, kept it same. So 0 will be seen by 0, 1, the name of the file is 1. I think you have got an idea. Similarly, for plus also I have written plus sign, question mark, there is a number blank slide also that I have used. Now again we'll go to the game controller underscore play. So what I have to replace these sprites 0 to 9 in learn tiles 1, learn tiles and learn tiles 1 to completely change how this the UI will change to that, and to show the result, that is number 1 num1 plus num2 is equal to num3. So to show this result I have used this array. This name is numbers and it is a 20. It is a the array length is 20, 19 exactly, because I have used from 0 to 18. So it has 0 has 0, 2 has 2, 3 has 3, and so on and so forth. What I do is I use the equation num3 is equal to num1 plus num2, where numbers controls the, which shows the answer, controls the variable num3. So if 1 plus 1, num3 will hold 2, so num3 will hold array size 2 and will point to this image, and that image will be displayed here. As I have already mentioned here, holder for all the audio clips for the scene, that is here. So if you play individually any file, you will hear the pronunciation of this number which is shown here. Similarly, I have used plus sign, this no for if a wrong answer, if a wrong selection is made, minus is for minus, and I think you have got an idea what I am trying to say. And to animate both the number tiles, to when at the background, at the opening of the scene, the name of the number is announced on the screen, so that the children can start relating. For example, let me play it to you and then you will get a better idea.
1 plus 5 equal to.
So what is happening is this, when this number was shown, then with audio narration it says 1, then the sign that which we are trying to say, then 5, which the second number num2, and this sign equal to. So slowly and steadily the kid starts relating subconsciously with these symbols. That is the intention behind speaking all the words. Now I am showing you the example how to change the number sprite. It is very simple. For example, I want to change the number sprite of 1. So what I'll do is I'll first of all change this name. I will put 1 underscore old. Now this name is changed. Now this is the new one that I have created. So what I'll do is I'll put it 1, and now what I'll do is I'll take this one and put it everywhere which is where it is used in the scene, in learn tiles 1, and in numbers. As you can see, I have done it. I have done nothing else. Nothing else is required to be changed.
7
Let's
Six.
see, go to a scene where 1 is being displayed.
Right, right.
As you can see,
Equal to.
now a new
Five.
slide.
Equal to.
When I have changed the sprite and I've renamed the sprite the similarly as it was renamed before, I can see a new sprite. I can see the new sprite coming in place of the old sprite. So now you have successfully changed. So again I will revert back it to the old thing. How? Again I will make this sprite 1, and I'll go to this, my game control underscore play. I'll paste it 1. Again I'll go here, paste it here 1. Again I'll go to the numbers which is shows the result. I'll show it 1, and this will make
5 6 25 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7
as you can see, my one number has actually returned to its original place, and everything is good. I think you must like this video. You have got to understand how to change the sprite in the game. Thank you.